Don't adjust your cameras. I've got a Blizzard machine on its side. It's acting as if it's got bad brushes, doesn't want to start. If you tap the rod, it will start. So here's the brush I just pulled out of it. Right, so you can see how worn down it is. Also, you can see how, and you can see what we've been talking about, how poorly conductive that is. So we're going to change brushes. We're also going to clean that up. And then I've got another motor that the spindle is bent a little bit. And I went through my graveyard and I have a new spindle. So we'll see. I haven't run this through RPMs to see what it does, but it's easy enough to change and test. So let's go. And let's take a look at what she looks like now and after.